When you've done the experiment itself and you're sitting a Section 2 ISA exam, you may be given results from another group in the class so that the examiner can check whether you understand the word reproducibility. Make sure you learn this keyword off by heart. Here's the kind of question you'd be asked, and you'd need to refer to your own data. So imagine that these results were collected by your group when looking at how hot water cools with time, and you'd be given the results from another group. So let's imagine the results bottom left are the results from another group. Read this student response to the question in the top left hand corner, pause the video, see if you agree with them or not, and think about how many marks this is worth. Okay, so the key first question asked is, do these other results show that this investigation is reproducible? And they've responded, it is not reproducible. Unfortunately, they're wrong. Reproducibility does not mean that the results have to be identical. It's more that we need to see the same pattern or trend in both sets of results. And you can see by looking at the data, temperature drops with time for both groups. So actually, this isn't going to be worth any marks because they're wrong about whether it's reproducible. Actually, let's instead think about how this would get full marks. The candidate would have to start by saying that it is reproducible because that both groups saw the temperature drop with time. I described a pattern. That's a simple explanation. If you wanted 3 marks, you'd need a detailed explanation. So actually referring to the data specifically, you could say things like both groups had found the temperature drop to 35 degrees Celsius after 480 seconds. Or you could say both groups noticed the temperature dropping a lot initially, with the rate of temperature drop decreasing later on.